to new developments in the ongoing school scandal that has rocked North Kingstown. In a significant decision, a judge has decided to allow the criminal case against former high school basketball coach Aaron Thomas to move forward. Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with today's ruling in the so-called naked fat test scandal.
Judge Melanie Thunberg sided with state prosecutors by declining to toss the charges against Aaron Thomas, meaning for now, this case is headed toward trial. In a highly anticipated decision issued Tuesday by Washington County Superior Court Judge Melanie Thunberg, the charges of second-degree child molestation and second-degree sexual assault against former North Kingstown High School basketball coach Aaron Thomas will stand. The upshot of the 26-page ruling, there was enough evidence to support the charges against the 56-year-old former educator.
Greatly relieved to see that there would be accountability on the part of Thomas.
Attorney Tim Conlon represents some of the former student athletes who say they were subjected to naked testing in Thomas's high school office. Is it safe to say that your clients were a bit anxious waiting for this decision?
Well, sure. I mean, the moment that motion is filed, again, as a lawyer, we see motions to dismiss as a fairly typical piece of the process. When it's your life that this affected, then you see it very differently.
In her decision, Thunberg wrote the defendant was in a position of trust and authority conducting tests on adolescents when Thomas asked them if they would be willing to get naked. Thunberg also pointed out Thomas was not truthful to police about the fat testing. His attorney argued while it may have looked bad, Thomas's actions did not rise to the level of criminality, and Thomas was conducting the tests to make them better athletes. His attorney said in a statement they are disappointed by the decision, but we are mindful of the extremely low standard of probable cause. Aaron Thomas maintains his innocence and looks forward to his day in court. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.